Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to convert multiple scanned files into editable ones in a batch on Windows. Let's get started. Here I have got 3 scanned files that need to be converted. Launch PDFelement and go to Batch Process and then click OCR to add the files. On the left side, you can choose the editable text mode or searchable text image. Here I will select the first option. Most importantly, select the right languages according to the file language. All my files are English, so I am choosing English. Then hit Start to begin the OCR process. Okay, let's have a check. And as you can see, all my scanned PDFs can be edited now. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful tutorials. Thanks, and see you next time!